BitLocker is a disk encryption program included with some Windows operating systems that helps protect data by encrypting entire disk volumes. You may be curious about how to turn it off, and in this video I will teach you how to turn it off permanently. Method 1. Turn it off through the control panel. Step 1. Press Win+X and select Control Panel. Step 2. Change View by Type to Category, then go to System and Security, and then click BitLocker Drive Encryption. Step 3. In the BitLocker Drive Encryption window, click Turn off BitLocker on the drive you want to decrypt. Step 4. Confirm whether you want to decrypt your drive, and then click Yes to start the process. Your drive will no longer be protected. Method 2. Turn it off with the help of a third-party tool. If you can't find the Turn off BitLocker option on the control panel, then you need AOMEI software to help you. Step 1. Find the encrypted drive you want to decrypt, and then click the Turn off BitLocker option. Step 2. There are two ways to decrypt the drive. Decrypt the drive with a password and decrypt the drive with a recovery key. Please choose one of them according to your needs. If you select Decrypt the drive with a password, enter the correct password and click the Decrypt button. If you select Decrypt the drive with a recovery key, enter the recovery key saved in the TXT file or printed when the drive was encrypted, and click the Decrypt button. Step 3. Then, the decryption process will begin, and it may take some time to decrypt the drive. After the decryption process is completed, click Finish. Finally, the BitLocker on the drive is decrypted. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.